Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to blow your minds with not one, not two, but 8 super easy ways to stack cash online. We're talking about side hustles that won't have you pulling all-nighters or stressing about deadlines. It's all about working smarter, not harder, you feel me? So if you're ready to ditch that 9 to 5, or at least give it a run for its money, keep those eyes glued because things are about to get wild. Let's get that bread. Imagine getting paid to talk about stuff you love. That's affiliate marketing. Share special links to products you believe in. Every time someone buys through your link, boom, commission. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank are your best friends. Choose a niche you're passionate about, like tech gadgets or fashion. Create killer content, sprinkle in some SEO magic, and blast it on social media. Higher price tag, fatter commission. Just saying. Got a knack for something? Turn that knowledge into digital gold. Ebooks, templates, online courses, design presets, the possibilities are endless. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify make selling your digital masterpieces a breeze. Think about what your audience craves. Create a solution so valuable they'll be throwing money at their screens, and automate the entire process. And hey, why not add some tiered pricing to spice things up? Basic package, premium package, diamond VIP package, you get the idea. More options, more money. Freelancing is where it's at if you're all about that flexible life. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are teeming with hungry clients needing your skills. Writing, graphic design, video editing, voiceovers, you name it, someone's willing to pay for it. Start by focusing on what you're good at, even if it's just basic stuff. As you crush gigs and rack up those 5-star reviews, you can level up your services and charge more. And pro tip, automate your workflow with handy tools so you can spend less time working and more time enjoying that sweet, sweet freedom. Chapter 4, Print on Demand. Design once, sell forever. Ever thought about designing your own merch? Print on Demand makes it easy. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful handle everything while you profit. Focus on a niche audience: cat lovers, gym fanatics, conspiracy theorists. Create eye-catching designs and promote on social media. Scale up by adding new designs and products effortlessly. Chapter 5. Passive income. Make money while you sleep. Passive income is the holy grail of side hustles. Make money while you sleep, eat, or even skydive. Investing in dividend stocks, real estate crowdfunding, or peer-to-peer lending can generate a steady stream of cash flow without breaking a sweat. Platforms like Fundrise, Robinhood, and Lending Club make it easier than ever to get started. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Start small, diversify your investments, and reinvest those earnings like a boss. And if you're feeling extra lazy, robo-advisors can automate everything for you. Talk about easy money. Chapter 6. Online courses. Share your wisdom, bank big bucks. Are you a master of your craft? Turn that knowledge into a lucrative online course. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera are hungry for experts like you. Create well-structured lessons that'll knock their socks off, and market your course like a digital marketing ninja. Chapter 7. Dropshipping. Sell products without the inventory headache. Dropshipping is like having your own online store without dealing with all the hassle of inventory, packaging, and shipping. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it a piece of cake. The key is to find trending products that are flying off the virtual shelves. Use targeted ads to reach your ideal customers, automate order fulfillment with dropshipping suppliers, and test different products with low-cost ads to see what converts like crazy. Remember, the internet is a fickle beast, so stay ahead of the trends and keep those products fresh. Chapter 8. YouTube. Turn your passion into a money-making machine. You're already watching this video, so you know YouTube is where it's at. Creating engaging content around your passion can bring in serious cash through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Find your niche, whether it's gaming, cooking, travel, or anything in between. Post consistently, optimize for search, and monetize through multiple streams. Collaborate with other creators to grow your channel. The sky's the limit. And there you have it, folks. 8 easy ways to make money online without the stress. We're talking about side hustles that can fit into your life, not the other way around. Remember, the internet is your oyster, and the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Pick a hustle, put in the work, and watch those dollar bills roll in. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and let us know in the comments which method you're going to try first. Peace out.